Morning, let me turn some lights on. Here we go. Friday morning, and I'm just got up to the garage quickly just to do a video just to reveal the theme. Let's stay at this garage. There's a box full of steering wheels to go to CEX. There's junk absolutely everywhere. Yeah, I need to tidy this garage up. There's a playfield from the last video. Load of Master System and Mega Drive games that are going to go up onto the wall and store it away. But while we're here, let's do a quick reveal of the theme of the pinball machine. So we had 4 themes. Ecto was number 4. That came in 4th. And I think if I do another pinball machine after this, it'll be Ecto, because it's my custom theme and it'll be something that a bit of a personal project. So that was number 4. Number 3 was Short Circuit. Great film. Really loved Short Circuit 1 and 2. So, but got the third place. Number 2 was Labyrinth. Very close second. I think there was about 2 points between Labyrinth and the winning film theme, which was Gremlins 1 and 2. I'm really happy with Gremlins 1 and 2 as a theme, because it's a really cool theme, and I think there's some really good ideas in the comments previously. So yeah, really chuffed that we're going to be doing that. Yeah, next thing for me to do is to start tidying this garage. So there's parts everywhere. I've still got the PC Engine set next to me. I've got a box full of pinball machine parts there. This garage is going to get turned around, so I'm going to move. That's why it's such a mess out here. It's always a mess, but it's even more of a mess at the moment. But some of the arcade games are going to go on that back wall down there, giving a little bit more space, hopefully a bit more floor space. Then, I don't know, I'm going to move stuff around. I might even get rid of one of the arcade games at some point just to make room, but if I can make space for the other one in here, then great. If not, we're going to have to get to that point of moving an arcade game out, which would be a bit of a shame, but I can probably make do with 1 rather than 3 or 4. We'll cut them down. Other thing that I've been looking at is a virtual pinball machine game setup that somebody's done of Gremlins. Absolutely stunning. I won't put any links here, any footage here, but I'll put links in the description just so you can see that. It's lovely. It's a really nice theme. It's got the music, it's got the sound effects, it's got everything that I want to bring into my game. And they've designed it beautifully as well. But the problem is that when you're building a virtual pinball machine, you can go to town, you can put spinners in there, you can put drop targets, you can put up kickers, you can put everything in there. You haven't got to worry about too much how much it all physically fits on the playfield, but also you haven't got to worry about the cost. So every single piece of equipment that is going to cost you money, let me have a look. So flipper mechanisms, for example, you could on a virtual pinball machine put, I don't know, 6 of these on, and you could have some on a upper playfield or a lower playfield, some on the side, something else. They're about £60-70 each, brand new. So by the time you add up how many of them you're putting in there, then you've got drop targets. Drop targets are not cheap, all those kinds of things. And on a virtual pin, there's no cost. You can just put whatever you want in. On a real pinball, there's also the physical space underneath. It's the cost and the physical space. So we've got to be careful on that. So it's not going to be as all singing and dancing as that one, but I think it's going to be amazing anyway. So that's really it for me. I'm going away on Sunday. It's Friday today. Going away on Sunday. I'm away for pretty much a good part of the week. I thought I was going to have a load of time to work on graphics and things, but I don't think that's going to happen, which is an absolute nightmare. So it's going to be when I get back. So I think I'm not going to do a video next week. It's going to be the week after, and I'm going to just try and get what I can sorted when I can. It won't slow me down too much. I've got Christmas and things coming up, and I'll be pushing on ahead with this, and I'm going to take some time off at some point to really get stuck into the build when I've got everything physically here. I've got the PCBs in, so I'll do a video on that. I have no idea where they're stored at the moment. I will do a video on that next. That'll be one of my next videos that I'll do when I'm back in the UK. I've also got the Mission Pinball framework working on my setup now on my computer, my PC behind me with that jumbo screen, which isn't ideal to work on, but it's working on there at the moment. It won't be on there obviously when we did the final system, but I want to get it set up and tested. Yeah, so I've got a load of things progressing, but I'll do a video on those individually when I'm back in the country. Okay, thank you to everyone that voted. Thank you for getting involved. I really wanted the community to pick the theme, and yeah, really chuffed with Gremlins. So thank you for those that voted, whether it was for Gremlins or not. But yeah, thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.